Hey everyone, today I'm giving you the inside scoop on Tower 1888, a new construction project in South Oceanside that most people don't even know about yet. Sales officially start February 23rd, but the priority list is open right now. If you want brand new construction with ocean view potential and you want to get ahead of the crowd, keep watching. Let's dive in. The location and building overview. Tower 1888 is located in South Oceanside on Coast Highway and Morse Street, and it's a 4-story building with 57 residential units plus 3 commercial spaces on the ground level. The ground level also features an open parking garage with assigned parking for each unit. One of the standout features of this building is the rooftop amenity deck on the 4th floor. This is a shared outdoor space for all residents, and it's positioned in the northwest corner of the building, which happens to be one of the best spots for potential ocean views. The building is designed as a podium-style development, which means pricing varies not just by floor plan, but also by which floor you're on and where your unit is located within the building. Generally speaking, higher floors command premium pricing, especially units with better orientation and view potential. Now, this is a brand new construction by Shea Homes, so you're getting modern finishes, energy-efficient features, including solar panels, and everything is under warranty. There's no deferred maintenance to worry about, no surprises, just brand new move-in ready homes when they're completed. The 6 floor plans overview. Tower 1888 offers 6 different floor plans, and I'm going to walk you through each one so you can get a sense of what might work for your needs. All 6 plans are either 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom layouts, and every single unit includes outdoor living space, whether it's a balcony, a deck, or a patio. That outdoor space was really important to the developer, and it's something every homeowner will have regardless of which floor plan they choose. Let me break down each plan, starting with the most compact and working our way up to the largest units. Plan 1, the compact 2-bedroom. Plan 1 is the smallest and most affordable option at Tower 1888. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout at 1,000 square feet, and the anticipated starting price is $899,000. Now, when I say starting price, that's important. This is the base price for this floor plan. Depending on which floor your unit is on and where it's located in the building, you'll see price adjustments up from that base. This plan is ideal for someone who wants to get into new construction in South Oceanside at the most accessible price point. It's also a great option for someone who doesn't need a lot of space. Maybe you're downsizing, maybe you're a single person, or a couple without kids, or maybe you just want a lock and leave lifestyle where you're not maintaining a big house. At 1,000 square feet, this is efficient living, but you're still getting 2 full bathrooms, outdoor space, and all the amenities of Tower 1888. Plan 2, slightly more space. Plan 2 is very similar to Plan 1. It's also a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout, but you get a bit more space at 1,026 square feet. The anticipated starting price for Plan 2 is $921,000. So you're looking at about $22,000 more than Plan 1 for an additional 26 square feet. That might not sound like much, but sometimes that extra space is in exactly the right place. Maybe a larger primary bedroom, a more spacious living area, or better closet space. Plan 2 is still in that compact, efficient category, but if you're someone who wants just a little more breathing room without jumping up to a much larger floor plan, this could be the sweet spot. Both Plan 1 and Plan 2 are going to appeal to similar buyers, people who prioritize location and lifestyle over sheer square footage. Plan 3, the mid-size 2-bedroom. Plan 3 is where we see a meaningful jump in size. This is still a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout, but now you're at 1,229 square feet, about 200 square feet larger than Plan 2. The anticipated starting price is $1,065,000. At nearly 1,250 square feet, Plan 3 gives you more flexibility. You might have a larger living and dining area, more spacious bedrooms, perhaps a better kitchen layout. That extra square footage makes a real difference in how the home lives. This plan is ideal for someone who wants 2 bedrooms but doesn't want to feel cramped. Maybe you need a dedicated home office, or you entertain frequently and want more living space, or you just prefer a bit more room to spread out. Plan 3 is still a 2-bedroom, so you're not paying for a 3rd bedroom you don't need, but you're getting the space and comfort of a larger home. Plan 4, the entry-level 3-bedroom. Now we move into the 3-bedroom layouts. Plan 4 is the first 3-bedroom option at 1,336 square feet, with 2 bathrooms and an anticipated starting price of $1,145,000. Plan 4 is actually priced almost $100,000 more than Plan 3 because you're getting that 3rd bedroom and 100 more square feet, which adds tremendous value and flexibility. Plan 4 is perfect for a small family or for someone who needs 2 bedrooms plus a dedicated office space or guest room. At 1,336 square feet, you're not getting huge bedrooms or a massive living area, but you're getting efficient, well-designed space that works. This is also a great option for someone who wants the functionality of 3 bedrooms without jumping up to the larger, more expensive floor plans. If you're comparing Plan 3 and Plan 4, the question is simple. Do you need that 3rd bedroom? If yes, Plan 4 is worth the investment. If not, Plan 3 gives you more space in the 2-bedroom configuration. Plan 5, the spacious 3-bedroom. Plan 5 takes the 3-bedroom layout and gives you significantly more space. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home at 1,556 square feet with an anticipated starting price of $1,269,000. At over 1,550 square feet, Plan 5 is a legitimate family home. You're getting 3 bedrooms that are actually spacious, a living area where you can actually entertain comfortably, and likely a much better kitchen and dining setup. This plan is ideal for a family with kids or for someone who just wants more space in every room. It's also great for someone who works from home and needs that 3rd bedroom to function as a true office, not just a converted bedroom with a desk. The price jump from Plan 4 to Plan 5 is about $124,000, but you're getting 220 additional square feet, which is substantial. That's the difference between a home that feels efficient and a home that feels spacious. If you're planning to be in this home long term, or if you have kids or anticipate growing your family, Plan 5 gives you the room you need without going all the way up to Plan 6. Plan 6, the premium floor plan. Plan 6 is the largest and most premium floor plan at Tower 1888. This is the 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home at 1,630 square feet and an anticipated starting price of $1,475,000. Plan 6 is only available in one location in the entire building, the northwest corner unit on the 3rd floor. This is significant because that corner of the building is where you have the best potential for ocean views, especially from the upper floors. At 1,630 square feet, Plan 6 is a full-size home with room to live comfortably. You're getting spacious bedrooms, a large living area, and all the space you need for everyday life plus entertaining. This is the premier unit in the building, and it's priced accordingly. But if you want the largest floor plan, the best location, and the best potential for views, Plan 6 is the one to consider. Keep in mind, though, that there's only one Plan 6 unit in the building. So if this is the one you want, you'll need to move quickly to secure it. HOA taxes and timeline. Now let's talk about the important financial details beyond just the purchase price. HOA dues. The monthly HOA fee is $393. That covers common area landscaping, the rooftop amenity deck, trash service, building exterior maintenance, and the exterior insurance of the building. So you're not responsible for insuring the building itself, just your unit's interior contents. At $393 a month, that's very reasonable for a brand new building with an amenity deck. Property taxes. Property taxes are estimated at approximately 1.12% of your purchase price, and that's annually, plus an additional special tax of about $452 per year. So if you're buying a $1 million home, you're looking at roughly $11,200 in base taxes plus that $452 special assessment, for a total of about $11,650 per year, or just under $1,000 per month. What's included? Every unit comes with KitchenAid appliances, including a refrigerator. Solar panels are included. You'll have 5 panels with a 2-kilowatt system. Each unit also gets 1 assigned parking space in the garage, and there are guest parking spots available as well. Timeline. Construction is ongoing, and the anticipated completion date is mid to late 2027. That's when you'll get the keys and be able to move in. The sales process is starting now with the planned sales date of February 23rd, 2026. Final pricing will be released the week of February 16th. Earnest money. To secure a unit, you'll need a $20,000 earnest money deposit. Your full down payment isn't due until you're ready to close escrow, which will be sometime in 2027. The buying process. So how do you actually secure one of these homes? The first step is getting on the priority list. Tower 1888 is using a priority list system, which means the earlier you express interest and get on that list, the better your position when it becomes time to select units. Sales officially begin February 23rd, and pricing will be finalized and released the week before that. Once pricing is out, if you're on the priority list, you'll have the opportunity to select your unit based on your position on the list. Now, this is important because this is new construction. There are no model homes to tour right now. The building is still under construction, and every unit needs to be fully completed before anyone can move in. So you're buying based on floor plans, renderings, and marketing materials. The developer is creating detailed 3D models and virtual tours to help buyers visualize the spaces, but you won't be able to walk through a physical unit before making your decision. That's pretty standard for new construction, especially with buildings like this where all units are completed together. If you're interested in Tower 1888, the time to act is now. Get on that priority list, review the floor plans, and figure out which plan and which floor level makes the most sense for you. Schools. One quick note for families of school-age children. Tower 1888 is served by the Oceanside Unified School District. For specific school assignments, you'll want to contact the district directly at 760-966-4000 or visit their website. School assignments can change, so it's always best to verify directly with the district, especially for a new development like this. Oceanside Unified serves all of Oceanside, so depending on where exactly Tower 1888 is located within South Oceanside, you'll be assigned to specific elementary, middle, and high schools within the district. Who is this for? So who is Tower 1888 great for? If you're looking for brand new construction in South Oceanside and you want the peace of mind that comes with a new home, no maintenance issues, modern finishes, energy efficiency, warranties on everything, this is a great option. If you're downsizing from a larger home and want a lock and leave lifestyle with less to maintain, the 2-bedroom plans or even the smaller 3-bedroom plan can be perfect. If you're a family and need 3 bedrooms but don't want to manage a house with a yard, Plan 4 or Plan 5 gives you the space you need in a condo format. If you want ocean view potential, the upper floors, particularly on the northwest side of the building, are going to offer the best opportunities. That rooftop deck in that corner is positioned there specifically because it's one of the best view spots in the entire building. And if you're relocating to Oceanside or North County, San Diego, and want to move into a brand new home in 2027 without dealing with renovations or repairs, Tower 1888 checks that box. The one thing to keep in mind is the timeline. You're not moving in tomorrow. This is a 2027 completion. So you need to plan ahead. But that also gives you time to save for your down payment, sell your current home if needed, or just get your finances in order. Tower 1888 is an exciting opportunity to own brand new construction in South Oceanside with a variety of floor plans to fit different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking at the compact Plan 1 at $899,000 or the premium Plan 6 at $1,475,000, there's something here for different buyers and different lifestyles. If you're interested in learning more about Tower 1888, getting on the priority list, or discussing which floor plan makes the most sense for you, reach out to me directly. I'm working closely with this development and can walk you through the specifics. help you understand the pricing once it's released, and guide you through the entire buying process. You can find my contact information in the description below, or just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more Oceanside real estate content. I'll see you on the next one.